Hello, Multimedia Portfolio Class Fall 2013. I'm Professor McElroy. I'll be your instructor for this class this semester. I hope you're excited about the developing of your template and setup for your portfolio. Remember that a portfolio is ever evolving, ever changing, and kind of morphing itself as you do more projects, you learn more skills, you're exposed to more areas of design, whether it be print-based or web-based or animation multimedia or maybe CAD 3D modeling or two-dimensional design. Really, this class is here to set up a template for you, one that will be easily modified and kind of changed as you create things that you're proud of that showcase your skill set in a positive way. And this portfolio class sets that framework up so it's then easily packaged up and sent to a potential employer or client, whether you want to work in a big corporation or you want to work in a small ad agency or maybe you just want to work for yourself. So this class is going to set you up for that. Week one, we'll be doing a little short dream job assignment, which is in your assignment sections. And the files are in your course document section, and also a self-assessment. So I can kind of find out what your interests are, what your future goals are, where you're looking to go with your career in digital design and graphics, and how I might be able to help you get there along the way. Now, an excellent place to go to kind of give you a little bit of inspiration here is I like to go over to Communication Arts, and they have just an excellent selection of daily exhibits of designers and design firms, projects and case studies. We call these case studies, where you can see the different applications on one particular client. They always have a link to whoever designed it, so you can kind of get an idea of who was doing what out there, which is always cool. They have a profiles section where you can actually go in and see an individual person and the kind of portfolios that they're generating. Like this illustrator named John Hahn has a few samples of his work, and it also has a link to his website. And they also have this thing over here called the Creative Hot List, and this is where you can actually go in and see what other potential, I don't want to say competition because everybody's got their own skill set, but you really get to see what other designers are doing really around the world. This Creative Hot List is for around the world. So you can see a few samples, some advertising samples here from this particular designer. You can go in and see, it breaks it down in particular applications, so things like collateral, like coupons, logo designs. So you can kind of see, here's a kind of a study of different solutions for the Happy Apple. You can see some of the other ones that this particular designer has done. And sometimes when you click on these links, you'll actually be able to see their website if they have an actual portfolio website, which this particular student or graphic designer does not. So their samples are all built into the actual portfolio itself. But this is a great little environment for the creativehotlist.com for finding students and potential designers and getting ideas and kind of, getting a little bit of motivation towards, what you might be interested in or the kind of things that someone might be doing that you like to do. So as we get going here week one, I would highly recommend getting in here and taking a look. We're going to do some basic packaging design as one of our solutions in our portfolio as well. And we'll do some logo and collateral work like you see here with business card letterheads and envelopes, and here's vehicle graphics and simple menu and brochure designs, all things we're going to tackle in our 15 weeks here to set up the framework for your multimedia portfolio, which will end up being an interactive PDF that you'll be able to email to a potential employer, and also gives you the flexibility because it'll be structured in InDesign so that you can swap pieces out as you create things that you are proud of in the process. So I hope you're excited about the semester. I look forward to getting going here with you guys and start creating some exciting portfolios. Okay, guys. Now, this is an online environment, so it's going to take a lot of collaboration and potentially some face-to-face meetings. I'll be in Fort Myers on Thursdays, Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. I'll be down at Naples, so depending on the flexibility of your schedule, and we'll find some meeting times, and we'll do it on a student-by-student basis. We'll probably have about 5 students in this portfolio class. That's typically what we have each semester, 4 to 5 students. So you'll get a lot of one-on-one attention. Just keep the lines of communication open and make sure that you're hitting your milestones each week. We typically have a project due each week. We have the traditional discussion board with an initial post due by Wednesday at midnight, and then responding to your classmates by Sunday for a total of 3 posts. And I like to do a book quiz. Maybe not every week. It'll take us a couple of weeks to get into our book here, but I really like our designing a digital portfolio book. So you will have some quizzes to kind of get us through the chapter. And your book is also set up in a case study environment where you get to see a lot of really inspiring samples to keep you going. Remember, the more time and energy you put into your portfolio, the more you get out of it. In our field, it's all about the portfolio. You want to make sure that it reflects your skill set, your strengths, and in some cases your weaknesses, and helps tailor your skills towards that dream job that you're looking for. Okay, class, have a great semester. Bye.